Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Amex membership rewards points to British Airways Avios. First, make sure you have a British Airways Executive Club account. If not, head to their website and create one for free. Next, log into your American Express account, go to the rewards section and find transfer points to travel partners. Look for British Airways Executive Club and click linked account. Enter your BA membership number and complete the linking process. Now you can transfer points in 1,000 point increments. Important tip, check Avios reward availability on British Airways before transferring because transfers are final and non-reversible. Click transfer points, confirm your details, and you're done. And that's it. That's how to transfer Amex membership rewards points to British Airways Avios. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.